Good afternoon, everyone. This is Matt over at MilestoneCapitalGrowthPortfolio.com. It is Monday, November 24th. It is 3 o'clock. Yes, I'm doing the video early today, only because I have some plans this evening, and I wanted to make sure that I wanted to get this out to everybody that watches my videos. Members, you have a great video tonight. All the alerts that were called in chat today. You know we have the new feature under the chat room, so we're going to go over those live charts right after the close, so make sure you check that out. And plus we have a couple more on there. And be ready for tomorrow. Tomorrow's going to be a big day. Even though it's a short week, we still have plans. Alright, let's get right to it. DDD. Last Sunday we did a huge video on DDD. We looked at the daily, weekly, monthly, so on and so forth. We told you what was going to happen. We thought we knew. And guess what? So far we do. Alright, it broke the middle Bollinger Band today. Great stuff. Had nice support right here in this double bottom. Good trigger buy today going through the middle Bollinger Band. Probably had some news here. First gap is right here. That's our target, as I made it clear to everybody that we're going to go up to 42 in that area and then see what happens from there. We do have higher targets on this that we're going to go get at some point, and here it is up at 90, but we're not going to worry about that just yet. We're going to stay focused on the short-term profit that we're making on the options. Okay, without further ado, let's look at SPY, because SPY is just chugging along. Alright, SPY on the daily 207.10 right now, just chilling out. Relative strength index is at 74. You know, the buy-in is very low this week. You know how that's going to go, but are they going to milk it even higher? They could. If not, we should come down to the middle Bollinger Band here, and which should, I think, about 205 area actually, because there's a small gap that needs to get filled. 205.86 is going to be the first target. Hopefully we can get that this week. If we can't, maybe next week. But SPY is definitely getting toppy, so keep your eye on that. All right, Facebook. I want to take a look at Facebook because it's getting close to where you should be being diligent here. Okay, we hit the 100-day moving average, pulled back down again, so it's been resistance here, and you see a middle Bollinger Band coming down. We do have this gap that we want right here, but until we get through the middle Bollinger Band and the 100-day moving average, I would be just sitting tight. Just chill out for now. Even though we're oversold a little bit, 44.90, there's still room for more downside, as there's a lot of room for the upside. So I would say at the break of the 50 and the 100, the middle Bollinger Band and the 100, then that's your signal for a go. Let's take a look at Google. Same thing on Google. Don't rush into anything. Middle Bollinger Band is acting as support. It's just stuck in this little, as resistance. It's just stuck in this little channel. It's not doing anything spectacular, but as we said when we came up and hit this top, we are going to start to fall back down. We made a huge play right here. This was great money for everybody, and the upside was very nice as well. Right now it came back down. Now it's just relaxing, so just let it accumulate and see what happens. You have this low, but you have a higher low here, so the trend for this pattern should be to the upside, so we'll have to see what happens as it's oversold. You can see your derivative oscillator starting to head to the upside. You get your stochastics also, but you want volume to push through, and you want to be on the right side of this trade. You don't want any news to damper things, but the relative strength index is at 42, so it does look like more upside. All right, YHOO. All right, YHOO is has a beautiful move, but yes, I said but. Okay, so we had the cross right here, as I said, and we're going to get another one right here. It's going to get ugly here, folks. You could probably get this middle Bollinger Band. You also have this lower gap, but I don't. All we're going to do is trade it to the downside. Let's just focus on the middle Bollinger Band first, 49.37, and then see what happens after that. But beautiful move to the upside. I mean, this thing just went crazy, and now it is just chilling out. So no big deal. We're going to ride this to the downside and have some fun. Baba, we had a nice call on this one, going to the upside very nicely right now. But I don't know, think it's going to go too much higher. I think we're coming into a pattern here that is going to make us money. Okay, so right now we have some resistance right here on this pattern, and if we can't get through this and bust to the upside, then be prepared for this to rip below this this middle Bollinger Band and drop from there. So it's kind of iffy right now. Nobody knows. The indicators are just in the middle, just chilling out, wondering what's going to happen. So I'm out of the call position and looking to see what's next. I will get back in if it probably breaks the 114 area. And I will definitely be in puts if it breaks the 109. So right now I'm just watching and have my alerts set. Okay, what we're going to do now is take a look at the chat room, give you guys a sneak peek, and I will see you as new members. Yes, new members. You will join tonight, and we will see you tomorrow. That is going to be your Christmas present to you. All right, everyone. This is Matt. Have yourself a wild night. Not many folks get a chance to take a look at the chat room, so we will do that now. Just so you have an understanding of what we do during the day and in the mornings and so on and so forth. As you can see right now, it's right about noontime. We have about 51 members. We have 51 members in here right now checking things out, and you can see our list right here. And if you want to hide that list, just click this button, and now you just have all the chat. But if you want to talk to people, you can just pull this aside. As you can see, everybody is just focused on trading and making money and different setups and so on and so forth. Looks great. A new feature that was added today that you'll be very pleased to see is going to be down below. We've added our actual alerts. Okay, so here you could see the actual alerts that we did for today, and many more will be coming. As you can see here, we have exact stops, we have the strikes, the targets, and everything else. So this is a few, but we do most of the alerting in the room, so this is more of a longer term or a swing trade. And you can see the charts, everything is right here, and this is all this data is here for you in the morning. And if you view more, you can see all the morning posts, which is going to be the news and earnings and everything else that's coming up. Being live, you can't beat it. It's just one of those things that, you know, you have 50 people looking at different things, and as the alerts come in, you could see that, you know, we analyze the charts and make some decisions. So having a big strong team is very important, and we have a big strong team, and it's just getting bigger. As of January 1st, things are going to change, but as you can see, we are upgrading and adding new features every single day. So make sure you stop in and become a member today, because it's only going to get better, folks. Have yourself a great night.